It's literally, what time is it? It's literally 1 a.m. in the morning. And have we left? No. Are we still here? Yes. Are we leaving anytime soon? Maybe. When you bulala mosquito kabayeki. Eh? Enzeni? No, why? Yeah, vlogger la.
Vlogger?
Yes.
Mosquito angeke man.
Moyo bamba bani?
Mosquito.
Indlela ohlanya ngayo ke ilabo mosquito laba bakho. Uthi mawungabamba bani?
Mosquito.
Mina ngithi ukhuluma ngentombazane njalo.
Ngafuna amantombazane.
Uqalile. Game ang-understand.
Ngifaka vlog.
Duh.
Ngisuka understood.
Yeah?
Ngisuka.
Ngoba?
Awuna right.
Wenza ngathi awukazi uvele.
Ngingavela nini?
Yokunini.
Shooting nemali musto.
Oyithathaphi?
Ngisuka.
Makudodo imali ne? Ay.
Thanda ukukhuluma asa. Ana ndimathozana. Impilo wami isikhona sonke ngibhalisa ngibamba ngazo ngoma lezo. Except wena. Impilo yasedolobheni nokuvala ingqondo. Ngiyajabula ukuba sekhaya ngobuhle bendalo. Imfula namaqhuma konke kunomlando. Uletha ukuthula thoba inhliziyo. Ngohla ukuhlupheka nenkinga zomhlaba. Ngohla ukuhlupheka nazo zonke inkinga zomhlaba. Ngikhumbula sisakhula yabathole sijakatula nabazali bethu thina babesekhona singakazi ukuthi impilo iyo isibekela sikhona. Phila yikho lula emazweni lazama khona. Thando nenjabulo kulapho esazalwa khona. Asamenze emakhaya sokodwa idlozi siphinde sibuye sozama. Asamenze emakhaya sokodwa idlozi siphinde sibuye sozama. Impilo yasedolobheni nokuvala ingqondo. Ngiyajabula ukuba sekhaya ngobuhle bendalo. Imfula namaqhuma.
Guess who is in Worcester, but at what cost? At what cost? Because I'm tired, one. At least I'm lambanga because I would have been grumpy, you get. Oh, my stomach is filled with gas. The gas that I'm going to release when I get out of this car. Guys, it's not like I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Guys, we left the house. It was dark. We are arriving. It's dark. Spend my 16th on the road. Show me some me. Oh guys. Oh yini. Oh ndiyaphela. No ndiyaphela for real. My face just looks, I don't know, I look like a puffed up fish right now. Yo, like kunini umuntu ehamba. And finally I've arrived in Worcester. Like content alomar. But I hope you guys are enjoying. Sorry guys, Papa but yo, at least I've been given permission to sleep. At least things was and like I don't have to do this whole shenanigans what. Can't the camera you be like ngibheka la or ngibheka le? But ngibheka le. Nani nizobona. Oh, actually I'm perfectly fine, yeah. But yeah, what do I call this thing? Yeah, I've been given permission to sleep the whole day. I'm tired. I'm jet lagged. Man ngabonyola lingcono manje. Bengathi meat. Like so, but anyway, I need to iron for Umakoko now because she has to go to the hospital and stuff. So I just need to iron for her quickly. And then Mankote look aina. Then I'll see you guys later on during the day when I freshen up and all of that. Please also go check Get Ready With Me. They're on TikTok. Please check my Instagram stories as well. I don't think I'm gonna post anything on my reels, but please go check out my Instagram stories. You know, there were highlights of me going to Worcester. Obviously there's gonna be more highlights throughout my day. But yeah guys, please do enjoy this vlog leading up to the day of Kitika Mika. Oh Mika Wami. But yeah guys, catch you guys. Yeah, catch you guys like after my great nap, because I'm asleep, like for real. But you know, don't forget to subscribe, you know, like, share, comment, to share with other friends, and you know, it's get this season now. If I told you that it was 7:30 right now, would you believe me? Like, would you believe me? He's just pulling my eyes at Josie. Guys, I in Betty with the road pumped in my face. Like it really. Apa? Makaya girl. Dad benimkhumbulile njengoba beningangiboni kanti buyile ngicela ulala. Being a sister then requires you to wake up in the next 4 hours because your brothers are on the way. Because they decided that they are not going to leave at the same time that you are going to be leaving. So now that they're on the way, your mother is tired, which she is. And then now you are the only girl who is there to help with what? With making sure that they are settled in. Why? Because it's me. Makevela kule YouTube channel uzothi hayi Dodo.
Somebody edited.
So lokho ngilinde iy'lima zami ukuthi zifike yabo. Now they are taking their time, so I don't know, man, you know. But errands sana. Go busy. So lokho umuntu ethunywa since 6:45 in the morning. So yeah. But I'm gonna see you guys throughout the day, mostly. Shop. Hello, bantwana bam.
Hello.
Ninjani? Sanivukile. Sihlezi sithunywa-ke kutshela into ongayazi uyibone. Umuntu uphumile ngemoto wayethenga ama-chicken livers. Ngabe uyabona ukuthi ngenzani manje ethini. Nawabona la manga? Bhekani. Ngapha ngisadla, bhekani. Very, it's busy here. But today we're just waiting for guests to arrive, and there's the kushas as well. So yeah, sengizonibona nanokuthi kwenzakalani umuntu nje kwamele ayi-installe lento yokuthi abe yiphara. Awukhonahali at all. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do another get ready with me today. I'm gonna think about it.
A few moments later.
Baphinde bakuthume ukuthi uzoayina. Ngifuna ukuthi into njani. Singibonisa. Anibukeni. 1 yimi lo. 2 mamnyami lo. 3 mamam lo. You see? Kuningi nje. Uyabona manje? Sawugeza. Ngisafuna next sizosho 12 cabanga ngingagezi. I need to bath now. Yeah, I need to bath now and make sure that I'm ready for the day and all of that. I'm gonna show you guys my fits. Obviously, this is just great. But yeah, wait. Keep on watching the vlog, I guess. Something like that, right? But yeah, but keep on keeping on. The lighting in here is bums. Usamubuyisele nini? Nini ngoku nani? Emini. Ubuyisela nabani? Ubuyisela nomakazi? Ubuyisela nomakazi wakho? Love you.
Evungoma.
A few moments later.
We are por ahí. I don't know about you guys, but my lashes are done. As a pot mark on when you go with the bats. Guys. Oh, Sana, on better like half like the heater is heating. How when, mashallah. Let's see. the day is done. Today, yeah, at least, still, it's like 8-ish, bruh. Like, yeah, no, the sun is dizzy, hey. But I'm surprised that my skin, you know, like, is skinning thanks to Nivea. And I went to go do my eyelashes as well. I'm gonna be installing today for tomorrow and Saturday, and then yeah, catch you guys tomorrow when Ihlali comes back. Guys, I've missed my brother so much. At least we are Booyah and you know Lento the Ingai, so my excitement is down. Yes, Lento I'm going to find out, guys. Yeah, no, this is stuff, but it's all worth it. At least I know the treat now, you see, but right? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's experience, because I enjoyed myself driving all these cars and not having to do much, you see, but yeah, it's a banana.
Jenema,